What's going on, guys? Decelation. Brian,
What's up, peeps?
what are we working on today, buddy?
We're gonna take some stuff off of the old hot rod show. I think it's I think we kind of he made the executive decision that we're gonna run without air conditioning and heating. So we're gonna pop that guy off and get rid of all this hoses and the dehydrator and all that crap over here. And then he's got a new gadget to throw on there so we can
Yep, right here.
have belt spinning.
So we can still, turn the water pump and alternator, and, the important stuff here. So we're gonna get this going. I'm gonna be nice to Brian, and I'm not gonna make him pull the condenser off. Come on, you don't want to pull the front grill again?
No, it's a shield now for the rest of the radiator.
That is.
It's going to channel in direct flow for a more turbulent
airflow. But yes, so we're gonna go ahead and get started, pull this off. And that adds like a couple horsepower too, less things you got to turn, the more power the engine has. Yes, I know the clutch is not engaged, but still. The AC clutch, people. AC clutch. Yeah, we can pull that out too. Alrighty, so we're gonna get to work. Welcome back, guys. Brian?
What's up, peeps?
Man, what did we get done?
Well, you know, we pulled some stuff off.
Yeah,
It's a weight saving thing here. We're trying to get faster before we even drive.
I mean, I've driven it. It needs to be faster because I don't have traction under 50 anyways.
So we pulled off some hoses and an accumulator or dehydrator and some stuff.
Some stuff over
There's
there.
some stuff over there and draining the coolant out of it. But yeah, so you see there's no more AC compressor here. We just have a manual tensioner that we need a new belt for.
Mm-hmm.
So we'll do that. And then I'll let you talk about the fun and exciting stuff you did on the inside.
Yeah, let's see. Oh, yeah, that needs to. Oh, boy. All right. So, as we see here, we had the whole control box that was in here taking up all of this space. And what I did now was rearrange a lot of the wiring to where it kind of makes sense. Nice, neat bundles. Really, the only wires that are loose are that goes to the dash, this goes to the dash, this goes to the dash, and this goes to the dash. Everything else is tucked neat, zip tied. It's a lot of wires. It's not gonna look like beautiful, but it makes sense. I can find the wires. I know what goes to where. So yeah, I rearranged all that. That's the last part, what you saw. And then I got this mounting plate. This controls my digital display. It just has a data cable that connects in right here. So all that is, and that just stays with the digital display. So plug it, bring the dash into the truck, plug that in, and easy go. And then it goes. Yeah. So yeah, I'm very happy with removing the AC and kind of the logic. The logic behind moving the AC was I'm not going to really be driving this truck to like do road trips or something like that. I kind of want to do like drag and drive events. I kind of want to do, go to some car shows, just kind of drive it around and just be a fun cruising little truck. But I really don't need AC for that. And it takes up a lot of space and just unnecessary, in my opinion. And it frees up a little bit of horsepower too, so that's added benefit. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. This was a fun, long project, but definitely needed for me. What do you think, Brian?
Yeah, it definitely, you're taking that box out of there, just the amount of space that cleared up was, because now we actually have room to put the motor in for the windshield wipers when we finally put that in. And
right.
So yeah, well, it's almost done.
Yup. All right, guys. Have a good one. Peace.
Take it easy, peeps.